Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw or transfer money from Sweatcoin to PayPal. So for that you will have to first launch your Sweat Wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Once done, you need to tap on the portfolio tab in the bottom and then you are going to see your current balance in USD in the top. Here you will be able to see three different options: transfer, buy and trade. So as we want to withdraw or transfer our money from Sweatcoin to PayPal, you need to tap on the transfer button. Then you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Let's say you want to transfer Sweatcoin, so you need to tap on Sweatcoin. Then it will ask you to provide the username or the address. So in PayPal, you need to go to the cryptocurrency tab and there you just have to search for Sweatcoin. Now once you have found Sweatcoin, you need to tap on the receive button and then you need to just copy the deposit address from there. Then you need to paste the deposit address in this section and then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to transfer or withdraw your Sweatcoin from your Sweat wallet to PayPal. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.